Hi guys! I noticed that I had a lot of amigurumi patterns in the same color scheme, and I decided to record a short video review for you. I'll start with the little strawberry shark. This is a paid amigurumi pattern that can be purchased in my store. Links to all amigurumi in this video will be in the description. And this is a free amigurumi tutorial for a cute keychain Catermelon. The next one is a Totoro Keychain. This is also a free amigurumi tutorial. I really liked the idea with Catermelon, so this headphone pouch came up. Watch free crochet tutorial on my channel. The last tutorial on my channel is this cute flower ring. I just adore it. Next, I will show you paid crochet patterns that you can buy in my store or get for subscribing to my Patreon. Write in the comments which of the projects you like best or what you can crochet using these colors. Happy crocheting!